What is this innovative way to finance a startup? Yeah, I want to create a startup here. I want to have fund now. How to get this fund? That what's been said here. Personal financing, on my own saving, I'm putting that as personal financing. So non-banking financial source became popular to startup finance. I'm not going to bank. I put my own bank money to create that company. It's just popular. Such innovative source for funding startup as follows: what personal credit lines, my friends, my family, and my credit card, my own gold, such a way loan. It is personal credit lines. Family friends help you. Peer-to-peer learning. Some other persons they give for the same interest as the government, likely higher than a group of people. They come together and lend you. This is what peer-to-peer lending. It is existence for many years in this group of person come together lend money to each other. Crowdfunding. It is an contemporary source of finance. It is small amount of capital from a large number of individuals through social media, crowdfunding websites, and rise to finance a new business initiative. So I want to start a business, but I have a lot amount of audience. So now all I'm doing is I'm not dealing with it. I'm just asking the company to the crowdfunding is bringing money from everyone. Micro loaners from a lower interest rate for a new business the companies may provide. For a starting period of time up to this month, 10 years, I will provide in this percentage. After this, the percentage different. Such a way provide loan as micro loan. Vendor financing. Manufacturer and distributor differ the performance. What do you mean? Sir, usually the startups want raw material. So the provider of raw material say usually I give 45 days credit line, but as your startup, I will give you 90 days credit line. Such a way is giving vendor financing. Purchase order financing, what? The same thing. Purchase order financing company advance the required fund to supplier to complete the large new order. So if the startup is kind of raw material provided, what they will say, usually I will take 45 days credit time to settle the payment. Now, as your startup, I want to provide you, so I will give advance 45 days prior to your order. You provide me the order in time. This is purchase order. Factoring accounts receivable, the facility to given to seller who sold goods on credit to fund its receivable. Sir, I having receivables, right? What do you mean? So I've sold some goods, So it is receivable now. Usually I have a time, I give time of 45 days. Within that, they should repay me. But a bank say that I don't need to worry. I will factor it and I will provide you 99 percentage of this fund today. 1 percentage deferred. Why 1%? I will collect it from it with charges. So no issue. 199% of the money I will give you. I will collect it from him because he is an recognized person. He is a good debtor. I will take that as a data, so you don't need to worry. Such a way you factoring that. It is factoring. These are the sources of fund for a startup.